doom, an endless fight. Bolts and wires, the system's grip, a cybernetic apocalypse. Through iron walls, the echoes grow, a symphony of machines below. Engines of despair, they rule the night, turning up the last devouring light. Through the blinding glass we lose our soul, a clockwork hell takes control. A clock that roars, the metal cries, a world consumed beneath blackened skies. And the fires glow, we see our fate, a dance of death, a mechanized state. Engines and roars, the metal cries, a world consumed beneath blackened skies. And the fires glow, we see our fate, a dance of death, a mechanized state. Engines of despair, they rule the night, turning up the last devouring light. Through the grinding glass we lose our soul, a clockwork hell takes control. As silence falls, the gears still turn, a hollow shell where fires burn. Engines of despair forever run. In this lifeless world we've come undone.